Hola, buenos dias. Soy Ruth. Welcome to the Daily Word Builder from the Language Learning Journal by Dan Hall. Hoy we are on página 122 and I want to talk about una forma sencilla. Now we like the word forma because it's like form and it means way, so that's a cognate, so we like it. A simple way. Una forma sencilla. The word I is one of my favourite words. It's spelled H-A-Y and it's just one sound. I. And it means there is or there are. How wonderful is that? So there is a simple way. How would you say that? Hay una forma sencilla. There isn't a simple way. No hay una forma sencilla. It's that easy. So let's have three different verbs. We could have to do it, which is de hacerlo. To say it, de decirlo. Or to learn it, de aprenderlo. Okay? Right. Can you say, there is a simple way to do it? Like this. Hay una forma sencilla de hacerlo. There isn't a simple way to do it. No hay una forma sencilla de hacerlo. Maybe write these down. There's a simple way to say it. Hay una forma sencilla de decirlo. There isn't a simple way to say it. No hay una forma sencilla de decirlo. Last one. There's a simple way to learn it. Hay una forma sencilla de aprenderlo. There isn't a simple way to learn it, which I don't believe of anything, but we'll say it anyway. No hay una forma sencilla de aprenderlo. Now context is king, so put in the comments box, put in your journal, what kind of situation you might use these sentences in. My favourite would be no hay una forma sencilla de decirlo, and I might have a context about giving some bad news. Give me your contexts and come back mañana, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you here again. Hasta mañana. Adios.